Hello everyone and welcome to this video on XCharts and XScope. Firstly, we find XCharts on the left here using this icon. We can select which symbol we want to view. We can select which time frame we want to view. We can select whether we want a bar chart, candlestick or line. We can select the indicators that we wish to use on our charts. There I've just put a moving average. You can edit the parameters of the indicator by selecting it. So let's change our moving average period to 50. Now I've got a 50 period moving average on here. We can delete the indicator by using the delete icon there. You can add drawings using the drawing tool. Pretty simple and very efficient to use. The XScope functionality is TradeView's AI technology, which allows you to take a screenshot of a pattern that you're seeing on a chart and it will automatically build it for you inside the X Builder. Let's go through an example now of how you can use it to the best of its capabilities. The icon for XScope is this one here. Very similar to a camera lens, it says XScope maximum of 10 bars. Firstly, let's find a pattern that we want to enter our potential trade on. Okay, I'm going to use a pretty simple example of 3 up bars in a row, all that have got higher closes than each other. So these 3 here that we can see. I'm going to zoom in as much as possible on my chart using the scroller on my mouse. That allows me to get a perfect screenshot capture of them particular bars. Then I select the XScope. You can see now I've got the crosshairs on the screen. Now what I need to do is take a screenshot and make sure I'm capturing all of the bar. I need to capture the highs, the lows, the closes, just of them 3. I don't want to be cutting half of this one. I want specifically those 3. And then once I've got that in the light blue shade like that, let go of the mouse, and now this pattern should be captured, which it just has done. As you can see perfectly, we've got bar number 1, bar number 2 and bar number 3. Then inside the tick boxes here, we can select what we want the builder to actually do for us. At the minute it's going to be hyper specific to the size of the bar, where the open was on that particular bar, where the close was specifically. As I was just discussing, all I wanted was 3 up bars, so that's the direction. So direction would be, has the bar closed greater than the open, so it's green in this particular case. Don't need the open, don't need the high, but what I want is the close. So I want each close to be above the previous one. So that's why I've only left these ones ticked. Now, once these ones have been left ticked, I can click build, and then if you count to 2, you've got all that code already built for you. We didn't have to do a single thing. So that's all now located inside our X Builder. So inside here it's labeled pattern recognition. Let's rename that to 3 up bars. And now, pretty easily, we've got a pattern here which says, and a build which says if there's been 3 up bars, so we've just done that, then we can place an entry in here as so. Now, every single time that 3 up bar pattern occurs, our model is going to buy. It's as simple as that, and you can use this as an example, but you can use it across any pattern you wish. Just be careful when you're selecting the checkboxes for your specific pattern and what you want included in the code. But that's how to use the XScope.